Hi everybody, my name is Vicky Shah and welcome to my course Website Creation for Beginners. In our previous video, we had discussed that a website is a collection of web pages. So in this video, we are going to create our first web page. To create our first web page, we'll need some tools. We had discussed about these tools in our previous video. We'll need a code editor, which is Notepad++, and then we'll need a web browser. We can use Google Chrome for it. Alright, so let's get started. First things first, we'll have to open the code editor. If you open your code editor for the first time, it might give you some information about the code editor itself. Well, you don't have to worry about it. You can simply close it from here. To create a new file, go to File and then click on New. This will create a new file for us. Well, write something here. Let's write my first web page. My first web page ever. And now what you're supposed to do is save this file. Okay, while you save this file, something that I'll suggest, sometimes something could be selected here. So I will recommend that you select all types. Once you select all types, give it a file name, and then go ahead and save your file. While saving the file, I will recommend that you go ahead and save your file on the desktop. This will help us to locate the file and continue with the course easily. Give it a name. Let's name it as my first web page. Well, something that you should know, in HTML we should not use spaces in the name of a file or name of any image or any resource. Instead of spaces, if you want, you can use a hyphen or underscore. So let's give it a name and make sure that at the end of the name you save it as .html. Well, why do we save it as .html? Because HTML is an extension for a web page. You might have seen some people use .htm. So it's the same thing. HTML is an extension of HTML. Now this does not happen, but it used to happen in the past. Some of the Unix based system, they would not accept a 4-digit extension. So people made HTML, which is the extended version of HTML, so that it will be supported in Unix systems. However, the technology is changing. Today, .html, it all will be accepted everywhere. So let's make it simple. Let's make it as .html and then save it. I'm saving it on the desktop for now. Alright, so the file is saved. As you can see, the file is here. Let's try to open this file that we created right now. Well, if you're using a Windows system, I will recommend right clicking on this file. If you're using a MacBook, tap with 2 of your fingers. Once you do that, go to Open With and then select the browser. In this case, we'll select Google Chrome. This is what we created, isn't it? My first web page ever. Alright, so with this, we've created our first ever web page. Now, you can add some more information to it. And you can save it. So you can press Ctrl S to save it, or you can go to File and then save it. Once you save, you can simply refresh the browser here and see the information will be added. Or you can close the browser, open it again, and whatever information that you've added here will be added to the web page that we had created. So congratulations, you've created your first ever landing page. However, it does not look that great. Okay, to summarize, if you need the steps, first open a editor, open a code editor, create a file, add some content to it, save it as .html, and then after saving the file, or open that file using a web browser. and you should be able to view your web page that you've created. Congratulations, we've created our first web page. However, it looks no good. So we can make it better by using HTML. We'll discuss about HTML in our next video, and we are done with creating our first ever web page. Please do subscribe the channel if you like the videos. So with all that, I'm signing off. See you all in the next lecture.